All right, team. The debate is in 2 days. Let's go over the strategy one more time. Sophia, how's the opening pitch looking?
Strong, but I'm worried she might come off as too scripted. If we could make it sound spontaneous, it would feel more authentic.
Agreed. And we need to anticipate the opposition's attacks. They're likely to challenge her on the economy. We should prepare both numbers and concrete examples.
True. But we also need to think about body language. If she fidgets or avoids eye contact, it could undermine everything.
I've noticed she tends to get defensive when pressed. Maybe we should rehearse some calm, neutral responses. If she stayed composed under pressure, it would make her appear more presidential.
Exactly. And let's not forget the social issues segment. If the audience feels she's disconnected from everyday concerns, it could cost us.
That's why I suggested adding a personal anecdote. It would humanize her without weakening her credibility.
But we have to be careful. If she shares something too personal, the media could sensationalize it. She needs to strike a balance.
On the other hand, if the opponent attacks her foreign policy record aggressively, she needs a sharp, concise counter. We can't let her ramble.
Right. Also, timing is crucial. If she spends too long on one topic, she might miss the chance to address other key points.
We should practice transitions. If she could move smoothly from one topic to another, it would reinforce the sense of control.
And tone. If she sounds condescending, voters will tune out. She needs to be firm but approachable.
Let's also think about surprises. The moderator might ask an unexpected question. If she handled it gracefully, it could become a highlight of her performance.
I've prepared some rapid-fire drills for that. If we do them now, she will feel more confident when caught off guard.
One more thing, we should make sure all team members are aligned. If we present a unified message, the opponent can't exploit any inconsistencies.
Absolutely. Finally, let's remember, even if the debate doesn't go perfectly, controlling the narrative afterward is key. We have to turn any slip-ups into talking points.
Agreed. If we stick to the plan, I think she could really change voters' perceptions.
Let's make it happen. 2 days. Team, this is where preparation meets performance.